What's up, guys? Well, as you can see, I'm not a psychic. Unfortunately, I was really hoping that I was fucking psychic. Start one of those phone numbers that people call and I can tell them their future. Who is that? Chloe, Miss Cleo. Miss Cleo. She used to tell people their future. She made a lot of money doing it too. I could have been Miss Cleo, but, well, I'm not. So, but I did clean it up. It took about 3 hours, so I'll be putting the video out. Later, guys. Good morning, guys. Let's see how bad this is. Woo-wee. What's that about? It's probably 8 inches to 12 inches. Birds playing. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Holy smokes. How crazy is this? Loving it. Holy shit. That's deep. Okay. I'm gonna put you over here for a second. I gotta go get my boots. There we go. You can sit there for a second. Let's start this beast. Come on, baby. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's going better than I expected. It's like, yeah.
Won't be so wonderful outside yours.
No, definitely won't. What's up, guys? Well, it's the next morning, and it wasn't quite a blizzard, but it definitely was bad. Our driveway's a mess, so I'll spend most of the day cleaning this up. But it is beautiful out. The sun is shining. So yeah, man, the GoPro went dead on me, or I would have got more footage. But yeah, man, Blizzard 2021. What's up, guys? Well, several hours later, we have a driveway again. Woohoo! Check it out. This thing's a beast. I can't believe it pushed the snow. If it would have been wet, we would have been screwed. It was nice and dry. Light and fluffy. My prediction wasn't perfect, but we definitely got a lot of snow. So hope everybody was staying safe, and have a great day.